These are folding instructions for the yellow pattern, also called glider, found in 100 paper planes to fold and fly, as well as 200 paper planes to fold and fly. The same pattern is used as the yellow pattern in 100 bugs, 100 spaceships, 100 dragons, and 100 pterosaurs to fold and fly. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you can see the colored indicator and that it's in the top right corner of your paper as you look at your paper. You can see the guidelines here on the paper. We're going to fold it in half from top to bottom along the center guideline and open it back up. And now we're going to fold it in half left to right along that center guideline and open it back up. Now we're going to fold the top half down so that the top edge comes to the middle. And then next, you're going to fold the paper along this guideline here and this guideline here, bringing these points to the middle of the page. The points should touch each other. The next thing we're going to do is fold it along this line that you can see back here. Fold this top down to where the points are touching each other. Then you're going to fold this top down again. The easiest way to do this is to flip the paper over and look for this guideline here. That's the line that you want to fold on to fold that paper down. Now we're going to flip the paper over and we're going to fold along this center line from left to right. Now the last step is to fold out the wings. We're going to fold along this guideline here from right to left, and then turn the plane over and do the same along the other guideline. And now you can open up your plane and it's ready to fly.